Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we're going to share with you wonders they say shall never end. See, a lot is happening, and this is why you have Progress the Analyst. I'm here to keep you updated. President Bola Tinubu just arrives in Enugu State today, January 4th, on a working visit to commission various projects by the state government. He was received by a lot of people, including the Ndigbo. And also, mind you, President Bola Tinubu wear the Ishagu, the Igbo traditional attire. In fact, listening to his speech there, and I'll be right back.
You can see the president is here. The number one citizen of the country is already here, live at Enugu International Conference Center. You can also see the
president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to the commission of the International Conference Center. 5,000 capacity. LPA, ICANN, Nigerian Medical Association, Enugu is home to you with this facility. We welcome His Excellency to drive Nigeria with a renewed hope agenda. Welcome to the International Conference Center here, which is the hub of tourism, not just for Enugu State, but for Nigeria. So Your Excellency will welcome you. I will say thank you to the governor for this amazing work. Thank you, Your Excellency, for coming. So the microphone. So His Excellency, the governor, to welcome into the conference center.
Your Excellency, Brother Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are here again to welcome you to our soil and to continue to thank you. We cannot thank you enough for this honor. The whole of Enugu State, and indeed, by extension, the people of the Southeast are indeed grateful to have you in our soil. We say thank you so much. It is on that note that I also want to invite Your Excellency to formally commission this iconic edifice, International Conference Center. But Your Excellency, this is not just a conference center. It is facilities that spans to meetings, restaurants, cinemas, shops. We have over 50 shops here and other pastime activities, including recreational activities. So it is a community of activity center, and we're here today to commission. And it is our honor to invite Your Excellency to formally commission this building for us. Thank you. My friend,
governors here present, particularly those from Southeastern states, the honorable members of the House of Reps, the distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me mention Peter Silva for this invitation. I wish you all happy New Year. I am really honored. I feel at home being here in Enugu. I am happy that we are seeing development. We are seeing the future of Nigeria. Giving hope from elementary school, not just only on kindergarten. We are seeing technology at work. We are seeing road construction, infrastructural development, to ensure economic growth. I am happy that we share a lot in common. So whatever is the pain that we go through in the past 18 months is now beginning to yield good results. Part of evidence of this is here we are talking on the proposed center for economic, business, opportunity, growth, and sustainable development of one of our very historic states, the Grande.
The president has just commissioned project.
The president has just commissioned the International Conference Center.
Okay.
Enugu State. International Conference Center. As you can see. Wait.
You can see the digital mayor of Fuji is already here. Please, what do you have to say about this very project that the president is here to commission?
Thank God today, His Excellency the Governor Tinubu is making Enugu State proud. Can you imagine this is the visit of His Excellency, the President of the country. He's in Enugu to come and see the numerous projects His Excellency Dr. Tinubu is doing. So we want to thank Dr. Tinubu for whatever he is doing to make Enugu State proud. On our side as the council chairman, we'll keep on supporting him and giving him the necessary support to make sure that Enugu State get to the best level. Tomorrow is here.
Thank you. Thank you. That's the chairman of Fuji local government area. He has just spoken. You can share this video, let others see what is happening in Enugu today. That's a very wonderful project, very big one, very magnificent project. Enugu International Conference Center, 5,000 capacity conference center, and they have also the mini 1,000 capacity, and the shopping mall there, the Tomorrow is Here shopping mall. So all these things is happening today. He has commissioned the smart green schools being built by the governor of Enugu State. From there, he moved down to Bisalaro, where he commissioned about 90 road projects ongoing in Enugu that has been completed. 90 road projects has been completed. So he's here now, and he has officially commissioned the Enugu International Conference Center. And from there, we are moving to the government house to commission the command and control center, where the camera surveillance and every other thing that is going to secure the states that will happening. So continue joining Amokwe TV for more updates. We're giving you more updates on what is happening, and you can see a lot of people enjoying themselves. Dr. Peter Ndubisimba is trying everything possible to make sure that Enugu State grow exponentially, because he said that this is disruptive innovation, and if you can look around this project, you will see is a very large and a very big one. It will attract a lot of things to Enugu. Omada Pitamba is here singing. As you are joining, tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us where you are all over the world. We are here live at Enugu International Conference Center, Independence Land, Enugu, just very close to Opera Square and National Assembly and the Government House. And it's a very magnificent project. This project started during Dr. Chimaroke Namani's regime, and now it has remained uncompleted for so many years. 2 governments has passed during Sullivan Chime and Ifeanyi Ogwai, and they couldn't complete it. So, but now Dr. Peter Ndubisimba, after being in the office for 1 year and some months, has completed this project and added new things into it. So it's going to bring a lot of things to Enugu. The president is leaving now for another place. Tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us where you are. You can see Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, is also here. And a lot of people. His Excellency Barrister Peter Ndubisimba is also here. The president is leaving. You can see the governor of Abia State, the man of the moment, Governor T.A. Oji. You are welcome to Enugu State, sir. Yes, very good, very good. The wonderful governor of Abia State is also here. T.A. Oji is here. You can see the convoy of the president, carrying the president and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, and also the governor of Enugu State, Barrister Peter Ndubisimba. They are moving to another direction now. So we are telling you, tell us where you're joining us from, tell us where you are, and share this live broadcast. We are still here live. I am Sigabab Nisha Sierra in Enugu International Conference Center, fully completed by His Excellency Barrister Peter Ndubisimba. They are leaving this vicinity to other places. Don't go anywhere.
Completed this wonderful edifice. Yes. President Bola Tinubu just commissioned it. You can see people came from all walks of life in the whole of Southeast. We are confident the president and he energized with the people of Enugu State in this wonderful achievement.
This is the Tomorrow is Here mall there. Tomorrow is Here mall. That's where the shopping mall will be. And this the amusement park.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst. I will keep giving you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and See you in my other video. Bye for now.